Take 6mm pearl, 4mm crystal, 2mm seed bead, magnetic thread and piercing needle. Jewellery wire about 150 cm. Double line through the magnetic buckle, pull to the end of the circle to tighten. Add a seed bead to each sides. Cross a seed bead. 2 beads on both sides. Then a diamond bead and a seed bead. Cross a pearl. Add a pearl on each side. Cross a pearl. Add a seed bead plus crystal plus seed bead on each side. Repeat the process to the required length. At the end, cross a seed bead. Add to rice bead on each side. Add magnetic buckle. The left and right wire go back to the seed bead. Cross it to the seed bead and buckle to tighten it. The remaining wire pass through the beads as shown. Pass the both end of the wire to the pearl. Add crystal on both sides. Yes, the pearl that goes through the bottom. It's a 0.2 jewel wire. Tighten the beads and the buckle at the end. When you reach the end, tie not multiple times. It's done.